For some of you who have been having issues with verifying your identity, or possibly most sometimes they say verify your address. Okay, so I verified my identity, it was verified, quite all right, but my address, at a certain stage, YouTube stopped ads from running on my channel as a result of this here address verification. So of course there are videos that shows you how to do that, but how this worked for me, okay, I got this fixed just yesterday. I mean, I sent them a message saying that I've not received any pin. As you can see it here, you're supposed to receive a personal identity number, which is called a pin, which you're supposed to enter. Let me pull up an email that was sent, okay, for the verification. Okay, so here is an email that was sent for the verification. So I was supposed to click here, and then it takes me to where I could enter the pin. I've done that already. So it takes you to where you click here, and then it takes you to where you're supposed to enter the supposed pin. But trust me, the pin never arrives for some reason, okay? Because they're supposed to mail the pin to you. I don't know if it works in some country, but in Nigeria, you never receive that pin. No, let no one deceive you, okay? Because I went as far as contacting my, post office, going to the post office to check if I had a mail, and there was nothing. All right, so it means that the mail never came. So I went ahead to contact Google. I went ahead, I contacted them explaining the situation and how I've not received any pin. Well, they assured me that the pin will be sent. The issue will be resolved. I just have to be patient. I should resend again. But there's a caveat, okay? You are allowed to request for a new pin 3 times, like every 3 weeks. Times 3, okay? Every 3 weeks times 3, that's 9 weeks, okay? So after requesting for a new pin, you have to wait for 3 weeks. And then after that expired, if you have not received at the end of those 3 weeks, you have not received your pin, you can request another pin for another 3 weeks. And again, if that, finished and you've not still received your pin, you can still request for another one before you are allowed to, go into troubleshoot and then do justice to that. But for me, what I did was I requested for a new pin once, okay, and I waited for that like 2 weeks, and then I came back, I clicked on the troubleshoot. Okay, this is where you click, and then it takes, once you see the message troubleshoot, you see pin troubleshooter here. So once you click on this troubleshooter here, all right, it allows you to say, okay, AdSense PIN troubleshooter. They say confirm your email. You have to confirm your email, yes, and then you continue, and then it takes you to where you say, okay, it takes you down here where you're supposed to enter your name, and then your email is there already, your AdSense ID. So if you don't know how to get to your AdSense ID, okay, so here it's your publisher ID. You right click, copy, come down here and paste. Okay, pasting, and here you're required to submit any government issued ID card. Okay, it could be anyone, but for me, I submitted my passport. Okay, yeah, I did submit my passport, and immediately I received this email right here. And then I received this email, and it says, thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. Please note, you may still see the payment hold notification in your account. Rest assured that your PIN has been verified, and the notification will disappear within 24 to 48 hours. For me, it didn't take up to 24 hours. It took about less than an hour, and the notification disappeared. Now that you have now that you have verified your address, please ensure you have completed these additional steps to get paid. So now I have to go in there, fill this form of payment, check if balance has reached threshold. You can check that here. Review our payment timeline to learn when you'll be paid. Right here, I've done all of that. Okay, so once you do that, you get paid. In case you are one of those whose channel has been ads has been placed on hold, the only thing I can say is be patient and follow the instructions I just showed you here, and you should be fine. But trust me, it's going to take you at least 6 weeks to, if you follow this process, it's going to take you, there's no shortcut to this thing. All right, those saying, oh, there's a way out, there's no single way out. This is the only way. Google, there are other ways, maybe, but the only way I know is that you have to fulfill the requirements. If not, your account, Google will continue to withhold ads from showing on your channel, and that is the only way you get paid, anyways. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Once again, I'm sorry, I've been away for vacation, but I'm back, and you have videos, content back to back. Okay, now see you next time. Cheers.